friends, in this video tutorial I am going to tell you about some of the important questions of IBO 06 International Finance, which is one of the subject of MCOM first year of IGNOU. I know lots of students are facing problem as what to study and what not to study for the upcoming June or December exam. But before I proceed, let me clear in this video tutorial that I am only sharing some of the important questions of IBO 06 and not providing you the answers. For getting the answers, you can refer IGNOU study material, which is very good. After analyzing the past previous year question papers, I came to this conclusion of some of the important questions of IBO 06. But it doesn't mean you will not study other questions. Let's not talk further and come to the point, that is, I'm going to show you some of the important questions of IBO 06. So these are the some of the important questions for June December examination, as you are seeing, that is of IBO 06 International Finance MCOM first year IGNOU. I have also highlighted the questions so that it will be easy for you to see the screen. That is the question on balance of payment, interrelation between current account, capital account and international reserve account, strategies deployed to manage economic exposures, impact of countries, tax policy, future contract and hedging technique, future hedging technique, letter of credit, operation of letter of credit, what are the purpose of letter of credit, short notes on CAPM, mega, currency options, treasury bills, spot and forward transaction, direct and indirect quotes, bid and offer rate. The next question, that is on foreign exchange market functions and how these are performed, role of major participants, yield curves, what are its significance, upward or downward sloping curves. And the next question is translation exposure, how is it different from transaction exposure, methods of managing translation exposure, what is cost of capital, how is it calculated, how is appraisal for a project carried out, features of international project appraisal, APV differ from other techniques, why is it suitable for international project appraisal, problem in analyzing different forms of export financing is the distribution of risk between the exporter and importer, functions of IMF, that is International Monetary Fund, difference between translation exposure, transaction exposure, economic exposure, international money transfer mechanism, features of international monetary system, what is the role of it, concept of foreign direct investment, and policy framework adopted in India, what are its changes, prevailing crisis in countries, balance of payment. So these were some of the important questions of IBO 06. For more updates, you can join us on Facebook and YouTube. All things you want to watch. Thank you. This is my first YouTube video. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit like option and subscribe my channel All Things You Want to Watch for more videos. If you want more videos on important question on any other subject or any other information regarding IGNOU admission, study material, re-registration, identity card, convocation meeting, exam form, assignment related help, then do comment. Bye friends, and we'll meet in next video. Thank you.